I'm going to show you how I like to cut the cauliflower because I think cauliflower can be really, really messy to cut. So the first thing that I do is get the majority of the leaves off, just kind of the big pieces, at least the parts that are going around the cauliflower. Okay, so then what I do is I cut it in half through the stem. So then you will have it looking like this. Now I had a chef friend tell us that then what I do is I kind of go around the stem, kind of in a, I guess, circular or half moon shape here. And then you're going to just cut them off the stem just like this. So then I would discard that. And then here's the part that I just cut them into bite-sized florets, depending on what you want to do. Like our cauliflower nachos recipe, I would cut them into more flat shapes like that and roast them. But then if you're wanting to just cut it into florets, you would do the whole thing just like this. It is okay to eat this part of the stem, and there you go. You would do the same thing with the other half.